These ordinary looking sheds are actually incredible backyard movie theaters. These days, people will do just about anything to add a little bit of luxury to their homes. Some may choose to build a beautiful in-ground pool for the backyard. Others may renovate the outdated kitchen or the bathrooms, and some of us go way above and beyond just a simple remodeling project. If you were to casually look at the work of Ashley Yeates and his crew, at first you might think they just specialize in making well-built garden sheds. Take a step inside one of his creations, however, and you'll actually discover a luxury experience that most people can only dream of. You don't have to live in luxury to enjoy more amazing stories like this. Be sure to leave us a like, and then don't forget to subscribe for much more. Ashley Yeates of Bedfordshire, England, is fond of building what many people think are just ordinary backyard sheds at first glance. However, while they might appear that way on the outside, the construction that Ashley and his team of builders create are actually cocoons of luxury on the inside. Ashley's company, called the Toril Cinema Company, actually specializes in designing, manufacturing, and installing custom movie theaters in people's backyards or garages. These home theaters are stocked with everything you could imagine, and then some. In this custom theater, for instance, 7 retractable seats face a massive canvas screen that's attached to the wall. A roof-mounted projector then plays whatever movie the homeowner slides into their fully connected Blu-ray player. It may very well be the perfect spot for a relaxing night with the whole family. Of course, what would a trip to the movie theater be without snacks? In this particular home cinema, Ashley even went as far as installing a fully stocked candy counter. In the back corner of the theater, Ashley and the crew even installed an Xbox game system along with a few games. The owner of this amazing home cinema can not only project their favorite movies onto the big screen, but also their favorite video games too. There's something magical about going out to a completely separate space from the house, Ashley says. Once that door closes behind you, you completely forget that you're just in the backyard. The whole experience is extremely immersive. Ashley's been able to create several different kinds of immersive experiences for his clients over the years, all of them more incredible than the next. For this particular client, Ashley was asked to construct a more intimate home theater than usual. Instead of 7 retractable seats, this cinema contains only 2, but man, did they look comfortable. Just from the outside, you can already tell that what Ashley eventually dubbed as the Cinebar is really something special. This amazing backyard add-on even features its own custom porch. Like most of his larger home cinemas, the main feature of the Cinebar is a large canvas screen facing several plush theater-style chairs. The soft carpets, dark curtains, and incredible surround sound are all accounted for as well. Alongside one of his trademark candy counters, Ashley even included a fully functioning refrigerator. This way, the client can really get creative with the types of concessions that they offer inside the theater. Of course, no Cinebar would be complete without a custom tavern built right in. Liquor bottles hang from the walls, and fine wine glasses rest on the beautifully crafted wooden shelves. Can your local movie theater offer that? Ashley's latest project was a room that featured all the luxuries of the last 3. Leather reclining chairs, a bar with a fridge, and an HD projector. But this one even features a couch too. The goal of this cinema was to seat 8 people in comfort and to include some form of karaoke, Ashley said. So when designing the theater, I worked entirely around the furniture choices and integrated them right into the design. Imagine bringing a few friends to your gorgeous new home cinema, projecting some lyrics up on the big screen, and then being able to sing your hearts out all night long. Then, when football season rolls around, the comfy space can be used as the ultimate man cave. The most impressive thing of all is that Ashley and his team create and then build each one of these custom home theaters completely from scratch. At the end of the day, the only limit is the client's imagination. What would you include in your perfect home theater? Let us know in the comments section below. And then don't forget to leave us a like and to subscribe for more.